प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप। तो आज बच्चों हम करने जा रहे हैं डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज। तो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी जो डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल की बच्चों है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी 1, 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx। जहां x है वहां पे a minus x कर देना है। और ये प्रॉपर्टी अक्सर मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस में डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल के क्वेश्चंस में यूज होती है। तो नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस वन ऑफ द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी। क्वेश्चन इज evaluate 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to power 4x upon sin to power 4x plus cos to power 4x into dx by using the properties। तो बच्चों इस क्वेश्चन को हम बिना प्रॉपर्टी से नहीं कर सकते हैं, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। दूसरे शब्दों में कहें तो असंभव ही हो जाता है। तो इसलिए इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए सबसे पहले i इज इक्वल टू 0 टू पाई बाई 2 साइन रेज़ टू पावर 4x डिवाइड बाई साइन की पावर 4x प्लस कॉस की पावर 4x इंटू dx। इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ये लिखना होता है। इसके बाद प्रॉपर्टी लगाएंगे। अगेन i इज इक्वल टू 0 टू पाई बाई 2 साइन की पावर 4 पाई बाई 2 माइनस x अपॉन साइन की पावर 4 पाई बाई 2 माइनस एक्स प्लस कॉस की पावर 4 पाई बाई 2 माइनस एक्स इंटू dx। जैसे ये प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई की, साइन 90 माइनस एक्स जो है वो कॉस एक्स हो जाएगा एंड कॉस 90 माइनस एक्स जो है ये साइन एक्स हो जाएगा। जहां साइन है वहां कॉस हो जाएगा और कॉस की जगह साइन हो जाएगा और उसे हम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 मानेंगे। तो इट बिकम्स दिस इंप्लाइज i is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to power 4 x divided by cos raised to power 4x plus sin raised to power 4x into dx। It becomes equation number 2। This is the first step of such type of questions। अब जो इनको हम ऐड करेंगे और हम आंसर ले आएंगे इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन का। ओनली वन प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई हुई है, केवल एक ये प्रॉपर्टी। एडिंग मानेंगे 1 and 2 we get 2i। 1 and 2 को ऐड करेंगे तो i प्लस i 2i लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, और राइट हैंड साइड में 0 टू पाई बाई 2 साइन की पावर 4x अपॉन साइन की पावर 4x प्लस cos raised to power 4x dx प्लस 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to power 4x divided by cos raised to power 4x divided by cos की पावर 4x प्लस sin की पावर 4x into dx। Now it becomes, now taking 0 to pi by 2 common and dx common to the right hand side and 0 to pi by 2 to the left hand side, and taking, because these are both same limits, we get 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to power 4x divided by sin की पावर 4x प्लस cos की पावर 4x प्लस cos raised to power 4x divided by cos की पावर 4x प्लस sin की पावर 4x into dx. And taking sin की power 4x plus cos की power 4x LCM, we get sin की power 4x plus cos की power 4x to the numerator. And after cutting, it becomes 1 dx. And we can find the value of this definite integral. 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin की पावर 4x plus cos raised to power 4x divided by sin raised to power 4x plus cos raised to power 4x into dx. And after cutting, it becomes 1 dx. 0 to pi by 2, 1 into dx, and that is 2i. And integral of 1 is x. 2i is equal to x. That is integral of 1 into dx. And lower limit नीचे और upper limit 2. That is equal to pi by 2 minus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. Therefore, 2i is equal to pi by 2. Hence, if I value of this integral is pi by 4. Hence, we can say that integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin की power 4x upon sin की power 4x plus cos raised to power 4x into dx is equal to pi by 4. That is the answer of this definite integral. अब बच्चों हम एक्सरसाइज 7.11 का ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 करने जा रहे हैं. Evaluate 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x raised to power n into dx. तो बच्चों बिना प्रॉपर्टी से इस क्वेश्चन को करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स से हम कर सकते हैं, परंतु इट बिकम्स टू मच डिफिकल्ट टू सॉल्व सच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम डायरेक्टली बाय इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स, फर्स्ट फंक्शन एंड सेकंड फंक्शन देकर के. परंतु बच्चों यदि हम यहाँ पे इस प्रॉपर्टीज को अप्लाई करें 0 to a f of x into dx, तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी हो जाएगा और ये बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा, चुटकियों में हो जाएगा. तो आओ हम इसे अब ट्राई करते हैं बाय यूजिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज. लेट I is equal to 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x raised to power n into dx. This is your question. This is first. By applying the property, because 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. ये प्रॉपर्टी होती है, इसे अप्लाई करेंगे. we get I is equal to 0 to 1 root of a is spread by 1 minus x. जहां x है वहां पे a minus x mean 1 minus x into 1 minus x raised to power n into dx. It becomes this. That is further equal to 0 to 1 minus x into 1 minus 1 plus x raised to power n into dx. 1 minus 1 that is 0 and it becomes x raised to power n. I is equal to 0 raised to power 1 minus x into x raised to power n into dx. Therefore, it becomes x raised to power n multiplying by this x raised to power n minus x raised to power n plus 1 into dx. कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी आपको ये 1 एंड 2 को ऐड करने की. ऑटोमेटिकली ये क्वेश्चन, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चन जो है वो सिंपल क्वेश्चन में बदल गया. जो इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स से ये क्वेश्चन करना था, अब इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. प्रॉपर्टी लगाई और क्वेश्चन की डायरेक्ट ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो इसमें बदल गया, जो कि बहुत इजी हो गया, मल्टीप्लाई हो गया. पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना पॉसिबल नहीं था क्योंकि ये पावर n थी. तो अब ये हमें फार्मूला लग जाएगा इज इक्वल टू x रेज टू पावर n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1 माइनस x रेज टू पावर n प्लस 2 n प्लस 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 2. And this is the integral and 0 to 1. It becomes 0 to 1. Integration of this is this and integration of this is this. Now applying the upper limit minus lower limit, we will get the answer. And upper limit, putting x is equal to 1, we get 1 upon 1 raised to power n plus 1, that is 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1 raised to power n plus 2, that is again 1 upon n plus 2. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit is putting 0. 0 minus 0. Now taking the LCM n plus 1 into n plus 2, we get the answer of this question, and it becomes n plus 1 n plus 2 minus n minus 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2, and that is equal to 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. That is the answer of this question, and this will be the answer of this question, 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. तो बच्चों ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो इसी प्रकार से होना है, बाय यूजिंग द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. इसी प्रॉपर्टी से ये क्वेश्चन होगा. दैट्स ऑल. अब आओ बच्चों हम एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करते हैं इसी प्रॉपर्टी का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, एक्सरसाइज 1.7.11, इवैल्यूएट 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x into dx. Here role of a is played by pi by 4. तो ये क्वेश्चन भी बच्चों इसी प्रॉपर्टी से होता है, और इसे करने के लिए लेट i is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x into dx. Equation number 1. Applying this property 0 to a f of x dx, 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. We get 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x into dx. Applying the formula of tan a minus b, that is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. We get 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x and into dx. Now putting tan pi by 4 as 1, because tan 45 degrees is 1, here and here we get Now after putting tangent pi by 4 is equal to 1, we get I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x into dx, because tangent pi by 4 is 1. Therefore, taking 1 plus tan x LCM, we get 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x into dx. Tangent x minus tangent x cut, it becomes I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 1 plus tan x into dx. Applying the formula of log m upon n, we get log m minus log n, and it becomes I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x into dx. Taking the separate integration, we get 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 into dx minus 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. Now what does this becomes? This becomes again I. This is the value of your question. I is equal to log of this minus I. And after putting this I and taking to the left hand side, we get 2I. Now this question becomes I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 dx minus I. Taking this I to the left hand side, we get I plus I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 into dx. And log of 2 is constant. Taking it outside, we get 2I is equal to log of 2 and 0 to pi by 4 into 1 dx. And integration of 1 dx is x. We get log of 2 into x, and that is 0 to pi by 4. Applying upper limit minus lower limit, we get log of 2 into pi by 4 minus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit, that is pi by 4 into log 2I is equal to pi by 4 into log 2. Dividing by 2, we get the answer of this question. Therefore, I becomes I is equal to pi by 8 log 2, that is answer. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 8 into log of 2. That is the answer of this question. In other words, we can say that 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx is equal to pi by 8 into log of 2. That is the answer of this question. That's all. अब बच्चों हम एक प्रॉपर्टी और डिस्कस कर लेते हैं आज, और इसकी एक एप्लीकेशन. वो प्रॉपर्टी 2 है P2 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ a to b f of x into dx is equal to integration of a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x into dx. This is the property where C is a number lying between A and B. Where C is a number which lies between A and B. This is the property. A to B f of x dx is equal to A to C f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. This is the property, and this is very important property, and let us discuss one of the application of this property. Question is, evaluate 0 to 5 x minus 2 modulus into x. Such type of questions are solved by virtue of this property. Here we know that x minus 2 modulus, x minus 2 का modulus is equal to x minus 2 if x minus 2 is greater than 2. If x minus 2 is greater than 0. If either x is greater than 2. And it is equal to negative x minus 2 if x minus 2 is less than 0. नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव होता है ताकि ये पॉजिटिव बन जाए, मॉडुलस सदैव पॉजिटिव होता है, ये पॉजिटिव नंबर है. इफ x minus 2 is negative then it is again positive. If x is less than 2. So this is the formula and role of c is played by 2. Now this question becomes that is equal to 0 to 5 है ये, तो इसे आप 0 to 2 लिखें. 0 to 2 and x minus 2 का मॉडुलस into dx plus 2 to 5 x minus 2 का मॉडुलस into dx. This question changed into this question by using this property. Now here x is, this is the limit of x. X is less than 2, and in case of less than 2, modulus can be changed into minus x minus 2. It becomes 0 to 2 minus x minus 2 into dx, and 2 to 5. This is the case of greater than 2. X is greater than 2, and in this case we can write x minus 2 का modulus as x minus 2. 2 to 5 x minus 2 into dx, it becomes this. Now we can find the integration of x and 2 very easily. Let us solve it. Now it becomes 0 to 2 minus x plus 2 into dx plus 2 to 5 x minus 2 into dx. Putting the value of x minus 2 modulus and in both functions, we get integrated, we get minus x square upon 2 plus 2x, and limit is from 0 to 2 plus x square upon 2 minus 2x, and limit is from 2 to 5. Now this becomes upper limit minus lower limit. Putting upper limit 2, we get minus 2 square upon 2 plus 2 into 2. This is upper limit. Here, and putting lower limit 0, we get 0 plus 0. In the similar manner, putting the upper limit 5 here, we get plus 5 square upon 2 minus 2 into 5 minus lower limit 2, that is 2 plus square upon 2 minus 2 into 2. After calculation, we get minus 2 plus square upon 2, that is minus 2 plus 4 minus 0 plus 0, that is minus 0, plus 25 upon 2 minus 10 and minus 2 square upon 2, that is 2 minus 4. ब्रैकेट नंबर ध्यान रखना है कैलकुलेशन करते इसमें इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 10 2 is 20, 25 minus 20 upon that is 5/2 and minus into minus 2, that is plus 2. It becomes 4 plus 5/2, that is 8 plus 5 upon 2, that is 13 upon 2. That is the answer of this question. The solution of this question is, the answer of this question is 13 upon 2, and this is the method to solve such type of questions.